So this is the pocket hose. It's a kind of a hose end, or well, no, it's a whole hose that, you know, sprays water. That's what they do. But this was mainly a gift for my mom, and she's loved it. Used it to water her plants, and I've been able to use it a little bit. I've just helped her water her plants when she's been gone, and yeah, it does a pretty good job. So very quickly, the two, that end screws into our spigot, so does that. This end feels pretty good. This is kind of a rubbery grip, nice metal end. The end, it's a pretty straight shot, so that's the, I guess, type of shot it does. So I just turned on the water. The hose itself is a nice kind of soft material, and as you can see, it's been able to just keep in the back pretty nice and snug, not taking up too much space. So pretty easy to use. It's just open and close. So let's open it all the way. So fully open, it's got a lot of pressure. Like, it's blowing pretty far. Not blowing, shooting pretty far. If you don't want to shoot like that much pressure out, you can close it so you're not like blasting your plants with enough pressure that it might damage or kill your whatever you might be planting. So I actually need to water these while I'm out. My mom asked me to. So but very easy to use. I feel like quality wise the spraying is very good by itself. Like, I just think the straight shot is pretty well, I don't know if contained is the word. I'm trying to think while I hose, but just I think the best I can say is it feels very well designed. So if you need a new hose, this is a good one. Has a few different lengths. I don't know which one this is since it's all tangled up, but yeah, here you go.